Can you record for that?
Nabalo kayo.
Ganyan na. Kaya kasi biasa mag-record man, magalo yan. Ayan. Kaya hindi tayo libre ka na eh.
Oh, Father's Day yata eh. Father's Day, Mother's Day.
At saka pala Camp John Hay oh.
Tasters only, okay? Only the free stuff.
Ako rin niya yung
Babo.
Guys, we only rented out this section. We didn't get the one. We brought wine in the back.
Bear left.
We can't actually we can't go up. We have to park over here. We should have done that.
patas na.
I think we should have done
Wow.
We should have brought
Kini
one.
ka dapat. Tamba mo lang kay. Kini.
Ano ka rin mo?
Kini ka.
Winery tasting room.
Now bear left.
Okay.
What does it say?
Tasting room.
Wait.
Tasting room man, ayun eh, diretso. Sa timbaka oh. Eh,
Now your destination is on the right.
tulad na pag muna ako nang takaya kami.
Ayan Ken, kaya kami minta di dyan. O di burol, mag-park ka Ken. Awaran di at ang payong-payong.
Okay.
Eh wari dyan, migdalaya pang kay-kay. Ang baw.
Don't tell me parking's free. Please tell me parking's free. Guys, it's parking free.
Oh!
I'm like, wait.
What the heck, Milo? He knows you. Malo din pala yung Milo. Ayan mag wine tasting kami ngayon eh. Ngayon Napa. Kaya bede yung Milo. Tiya saya. Ayan wine tasting. Masanting pala ngayon yun. Hello.
So cute, Milo. You cute.
I know it's okay.
Okay.
I love it. Probably smells my doodle. Or the Sia.
Ay, may palit na kaming Senate President. Ayan, pag-wine nyo na yung apo ko. Pag-wine nyo na. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Follow me in. I'll show you right where we're going to be.
Oh, have fun, guys.
Thank you.
No worries.
We're going to be at the far end of the patio here.
Nangyay kami kita kami yun. Kita lalong kita yan. Good morning. Ay, ano ba?
Ay, may pabandyan ka?
Pipi ba dyan mo?
Pabandyan may Elia. Isang biyagyan.
This is us here. For those of us that are legal drinking age, your tasting flights are down below you.
Santeng Wow. Kini yan Napa. Treat da rin ang doa. Yalay sa yandi yan po yan salim. Treat da kang ngaylin no. Wine tasting ayan Milo, come on. Milo, hey. Kamata to jinga po mi
It says welcome Aurelio Party.
Where? Oo nga no.
And welcome right.
Ba't iya pa yung Milo? Kaya lalong yung Milo, tinyang lagyo. Tinyang lagyo yung Milo mo naman ha. Hello. Something to now. Wow.
Right here.
Mo, Milo. Sige. Wow.
Wag na, ayan. Ano?
Dati ito kong gabon Kenny eh. May isang buko kentongits. May isang lay. Ah. Nangyayari may tongits kanita eh. May isang lahin ka na akong gabon Kenny. Ay, wakasan ting pen babe.
Kami di dyan kanta yan.
Waka press kunan eh. Makaninig yung balayon kaya makakembak yan. Panay siguro baka pa na chunakagen din eh. Oh.
Kaya kami di dyan.
Wakasan ting pen. Joanne's Garden. Wow, masanting niya pa ang kaya.
Maka-reserve.
Yeah. Sayang, something na pupwesto na. Kahit ito masanting ang pwesto, babe. Kaya niya lina eh, kasi naanak ang nakakit eh.
Ito yung masating pwesto.
Oo, ito, masanting ang pwesto. Po, ito kita.
Technically, kita kami.
Hmm.
Then, kaya ka mamunta, basta ka na maka-reserve. Hindi ka na maka-reserve.
Makareserve rin, ako na. Yeah. Eh bala, pero ita na ka rin. Aray ko. Milo, wait. Hmm. Tara, karintana, magkain na lang. Oh. Let's go, Milo. Come on. Yeah, palibot to. Magkain tala pa mong wine.
And then yeah, we have a cave downstairs, so you're
Nah.
welcome to wander around. That's the ADA sign in front of the cave. You can go in about the first 30 feet or so.
Baka?
But, yeah.
Ba. Yun na kaming wine. Okay. Sige, serve mo yung pining wine. Takman tayo na. Takman tayo. Serve mo na yung wine.
You can actually eat this. It's red, yeah. I'm gonna eat mine.
Serve mo. Mami, pamayangan eh. Ako nagkaka-bredging eh.
Alright. Oh, tama na siyang gamit. Mainit lang.
Sige, talim niya. Yan.
Kaya,
Pining ka na akong server ha. Wow. Yun no. Oops, siya mo ni popcorn. Tama na yan. Ayan, basta pa ka na. Ayan. Ah, ikaw.
Thank you, sir.
Lagyan mo sa'yo.
Oh, yeah.
Bonjour.
There we go. So
Oh,
the
that's it.
finest 2026 Napa Valley vintage for the puppy.
Thank
You
you.
want me to go ahead and put it down for them, or?
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Okay, cool. Let's see. I'll do it over here. That way, it's not necessarily. Actually, I'll do it over here. That way, it's not necessarily.
Tingnan naman kay Milo. Okay.
naman pala niya.
Oh, takman niya pang mami. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers ko ako ng Anday. Oh.
But that smells good. I can smell it.
Yeah. Ibang luna. Mm.
I don't like it, but I still drink it. Cheers.
Ba? Lalasa yung Red Doors?
Lalasa yung kay grapes.
Dayo, yapel lang. Tamag yan.
Oh, cheers. Cheers, okay.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you, girls.
Ay, manyaman niya. Muyong mo yung bagyan. Eh.
Grapes. Very grapey.
Video pa lang lalasa yung duwat.
And here's the Sias wine.
Kaya pala dyan nga ganyan.
Ayan, oh.
Alright. When the breadsticks free, I'm gonna ask for 2 more.
Harap. Ako na. Ano yung hindi saya. Recording? Yan. Yeah, biasa mag-record.
You guys have any questions?
Lalasayang kain. Lalasayang duwa. Taman-taman tinapin na yan. Kaya ka kumabsigin eh. Ayan o, silang tabako. Kanyang anak kami namin tabako yun eh. Oh.
Nakakita syempre.
Ay,
Hindi kami kitukika kaya kami na.
okay. Ayan. Okay.
Hindi dahil mo eh.
Ay.
If you want, we could partake this classes and go walk down there first.
Wala ka lalakalayos ha. Kurang ka rin pala yan yung red wine na yun. Come on, Milo. Kanya ka mag-stop cover ah. Something kaya na yun. Kaya nyo naman, no? Presko. Ini pa something yung pesto layo. Lai, do you see that spot? Ganda sana doon tayo, no? Something. Yan, tanak kayo ni guys, oh. Napa. Life is good. Life is good, yan oh. Wine na ka mo, yan ah. Sarado yata, babe. Ba, buwan na. Ba. Ba, kadalong dong. Talas dulu. Ayun. Saan? Ano ay makbulat? Ano?
Open there. You cannot go there. Wait. Hello.
Ayan no. Open it.
Kita ang kabila. Kita yung pagmay ko kayo kapag
Para ka na. Ay, baran. Wine lang ano.
Makakuha siya yung dito.
Saan tayo?
Down there.
Tara. Saan ito? Ating aswang pala kita. Ba? Kinita mo ano ka rin? Ay, wala pala kita. Okay. Ano yung chikit? Kaya nga na. Oh, yun na. Dahil mo puti oh. Okay. Okay, alright. Ito bisa lang pala trato din eh. Picturean ko lang.
And then if you want to come down this way too.
Ah. Ah. Ano yung tanaman na yun eh. Ayan.
Ay, dad may palagay kayo na. Dad, may na.
Oh, kadagol na. Ito ah. Ay, may gising nga po ko ah. Ay, magigising na eh. Gigising na. Milo, tima. Hey.
Smiling.
Smile, Milo. Come on. Something ganyan talaga. Nakaka-relax. Ayun ah. Lunch time. Meron pala rin. Kaya rin red wine. Lunch time. Makanta mo.
Ano yan? Nag-ibig pa nga around here. Charlie's. Charlie's Bistro.
Kaya maranap na yan. Oh, ayan o. Tintrend ka yan o. PNR. Thailand yun o. Eh! Napa Valley Wine Train. Ah, hindi pala yung wine train. Ayan o. Wine train. Pwede ka sa akin ka, minum kang wine. Okay. Ayun eh. Mag-lunch kami ngayon eh. Lunch time. Lunch time, okay. Ayun oh. Yaman ng oyster oh. Second order na ng oyster.
Pero kasi motive na blue.
Dress, another dress. She said not a dress.
Yeah. Ayun ang harap na lang.
Up yun oh.
Ay nila yun, lagyan mo yung kain na. Ay na invitation na. So dapat blue and white. Labasan na.
I can move your shirt.
Sarap.
Thank you. So much.
Harap na naman din eh.
I love good for a movie.
Manyaman ng oyster oh. Pangatlong minang order. Tatlong order oyster. Kaya na yan, Napa. Pamin, St. Helena yata yun.
St. Helena.
Ha?
St. Helena.
St. Helena. Hindi, ito medyo ano to, half cook.
Lambik yan.
Half cook to.
Yeah. When we go. Yeah.
Yaman ako.
much. I know. Thank you.
Yaman na.
I'm so where's their break now?
Dito lang ako kayong red wine. Kaya naman ngayon ni beer, modelo.
Wala mo, may gobra ka na. Big time ka yun.
Eh, ito naman kanya ng
Yan
life.
naman Father's Day yan.
Life is good.
That Coke is fresh.
Kanyang kailangan dapat mo, babe. Babe. Kailangan mo kanyang mag-enjoy tango. Eh, kayo masyadong pa-stress. Yan ang ngayon.
Kaya relax ka mo yan.
Relax.
Kuya,
Relax.
nano ko.
Kaya pining-advise ko yan eh. You wanna live long, okay? Take my advice. All you have to do is
Ayan yung mister mo.
relax, okay? Relax. And then you'll get the oyster right here. Oh my God.
Dad, can you
Look at
redo
that.
that?
Can I have the tabasco? Oh,
You want extra?
yeah, please.
Can
Thank
we redo
you.
that advice? Ready? 3, 2,
Okay.
1.
If you guys want to live longer, you have to enjoy life and relax. Forget about the problem.
Yeah,
Kailangan
kana ko
ganyan
yung
mo.
problema.
Yes. Kailangan makanyan mo mga oyster. Minom kang beer.
Yeah, mantan. O, tama may palagang. Tagang bagay makain ako rin.
Wow. Uy.
I like my hot sauce.
Alit, tinatang hot sauce ini eh.
Kaniya kain yung barbecue.
It has hot sauce. Natural
Diyan
hot
mo
sauce
naman.
inside. hot sauce on it.
Diyan mo naman. Empaka na kalim. Empaka na.
That's so much
I know.
Wow.
Taste this stuff.
Ngayon tayo. Uy!
Nakasabi mo, manya-manya.
Ito pa round.
Makayan.
Wow.
Dahil ako man
Oh my God. That was